In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact the NBA app. If you are facing any difficulties or have questions about your experience, reaching out to NBA support can be your best bet. They are equipped to assist you with issues related to the NBA app or NBA League Pass. Let's walk through the steps together so you can get the help you need. First, you will want to open your web browser. This step is crucial as it allows you to access the NBA Help Center online. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Google Chrome, Safari, or Firefox. The browser is your gateway to the NBA's resources and support options, so take a moment to launch it on your device. Once it's open, you will be ready to proceed to the next step. Next, go to the NBA Help Center by typing in the web address, which is contact.nba.com. This site is the official platform for all NBA-related support. Here you will find a variety of resources, including FAQs, troubleshooting guides, and direct support options. It's designed to help you find solutions quickly and efficiently. Once you have the site loaded, you will be able to see all the available support options laid out clearly for you. Now click on the option labeled Contact Support or Submit a Request. This action directs you to the appropriate section for getting in touch with their support team. You will notice a user-friendly interface that guides you through the process. This step matters because it helps streamline your inquiry, ensuring that the right team addresses your specific issue effectively. After clicking, you will be taken to a form where you can provide further details. After that, select the category that best matches your issue. Options may include NBA app, NBA League Pass, billing, or technical support. Choosing the right category is essential because it helps the support team understand your problem quickly. This little detail can save you a lot of time later by ensuring your request is directed to the correct department. Once you've made your selection, you will move on to the next part of the form. With that ready, enter your account information and describe your issue. Be as detailed as possible in your description to ensure the support team understands your situation. Include relevant details such as error messages or specific features you are having trouble with. This context helps them provide a more accurate and timely response. Filling this out thoroughly is key to getting the best help. Once you've completed the form, submit your request and wait for a response from the NBA support team. After submission, you should see a confirmation message indicating that your request has been received. This assurance is important because it confirms your inquiry is in the queue for review. Keep an eye on your email for updates from the support team, as they will reach out to assist you based on the details you've provided. If you're an NBA League Pass subscriber in the United States, there is also an option for phone support. You can contact them at 1-844-622-8550 during regular support hours listed on the NBA Help Center. This can be a more immediate way to get assistance, especially if you prefer talking to someone directly. However, please note that phone support is not available for customers outside the United States, so keep that in mind if you're located elsewhere. With these steps, you are now equipped to reach out for support effectively. Whether it's a technical issue or a billing question, the NBA support team is there to help you navigate your concerns. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you find the assistance you need with the NBA app.